Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I got another Ipsy in. Thought we'd unbag it together. I did put my Ipsy on pause for a couple of months because I was just running busy. We were not in town, we were traveling, and I had a ton of makeup, and it was super easy. Just went, click pause, did it a couple of times. Now I'm back. Kids are in school. Thank you, Jesus. And I have all this me time. So I unpaused, and I'm super glad I did because I would have been sad if I would have missed this bag because this is so freaking cute.
Hey, it's Jonathan from the Pink Envelope, and I am unbagging Ipsy.
And I don't have a clue what's inside, so let's dive in. This is the regular Ipsy bag. It's not the new deluxe, whatever. The new deluxe is like full size, multiple items. I think it's around $25. This is just the $9 one, $9.99 per month. I think I might try out the new big bag. If you're interested in seeing it, comment below. Maybe that'll help me justify the cost of upgrading.
I think it's a makeup. I've seen Samantha do this before, so it's makeup, bag. So is there a new bag in every single one? So what do you do with all the bags?
Inside, as always, information on the products inside. You always get 5 products plus a bag, and they're almost always trial size, but occasionally they're not. In this one, I got Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream, detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. I'll have to go through this. I follow Curly Girl method really strictly, and so I'll have to read the ingredients on here to make sure it complies. If it does not, I'll be giving this to a girlfriend, which is the nice thing about this.
All right, so first thing we have Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with cannabis and argan oil. Does anybody know what this stuff is? You'll just put this on your face. Detangles, smooths, and moisturizers for all hair types. Oh, you put it on your hair. Okay, even better. That's sealed. Probably shouldn't have that. Okay. That.
Nail lacquer by Color Club, maybe. Oh, it's a pretty nude color. Y'all know me, look at my nails now. Don't do a lot of nudes.
Nudes.
Let's see what color it is. Maybe Nothing But a Smile, or maybe that's a catch line. Don't know, it's not real clear. But, gonna be honest, probably gonna be giving this to a girlfriend.
All right, we have nail lacquer. What is nail lacquer? Ah, nail polish. Okay, I guess things aren't just called what they are anymore. Okay, nail lacquer. Yeah, okay, that's nail polish. It's pretty, I guess.
And It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin types. I follow the Rodan and Fields regimen strictly, so I'll be giving this to a girlfriend. It happens, why the bag's only $9. If it doesn't work out, there's no loss. Well, I mean, my girlfriends are gonna get a huge win.
Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Confidence in a gel. So my confidence is in here. This is all the confidence I get. It's so little. Oil-free for all skin types. Hydra plumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer, 72-hour hydration. All of that in this little thing, and confidence. That's incredible. Okay, that's a good start.
This is All Day Lip Cream by ADESSE. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. That is all the way my fall color. Will not be giving this to a girlfriend. Beverly Boulevard is the name of the color here. And it's gorgeous.
A Desi New York All Day Lip Cream. Oh, lipstick. It's lipstick. That's just like creative wording. All day lip cream. Desi in New York thinks this is lip cream. It's lipstick. It's a pretty color. That look good on Samantha. I really just want to draw with it, like something really stupid. But I won't. She'll probably like that, so I can mess it up. Okay.
And then my last item, see look, they already paid off, is Pixie by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Whisper Pink. Don't know if you guys can see the coloring in there. It's very, very cute and good for a redhead. So there you have it.
Pixie by Petra. All right, Petra. It is face blush, Whisper Pink. Okay. Well, it's pink blush. That's boring. Okay.
Out of the 5 items plus the bag, I more than likely will not use any of these because I can tell that has alcohol in it. And I will keep these. And in my opinion, for $9.99, a full lipstick, a full blush, and a bag is still a killer deal. I have yet to get a box, or a bag, that I don't like. It always works in some form or fashion. So I am an Ipsy fan. It's easy to use, its website, everything is just great. And then when I fall in love with products like this, I can just go order them online, which is really, really nice. So there you go. There is my August 2019 Ipsy.
And then we've got a little thing about Ipsy. Bear yourself. Okay. Alright, this just says what's in the bag. I probably should have started off with that. Alright. Well, this is Ipsy from Pink Envelope. Thank you. Oh man.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's super encouraging for me to see you guys hanging out. If you have any questions or feedback, leave it in the comments below, and I'll have information about the bag and any discount codes that I have also in the bio below. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I don't know. It's not off to a good start. Give me my first name right. Nudes? Nudes? Nudes?